Hey guys, so I was just working on the computer and I started wanting something sweet. I wanted a little snacky snack, but it's kind of late. So I decided to make some nice cream and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to show you exactly how I make it. Now, a lot of the times I put these little recipes on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, hop on over there at Eloisa. Coconuts, frozen coconut, star of the show, coconut cream, and you want some kind of plant-based milk, and bananas. I just let my bananas ripen and cut them up and then toss them in a freezer bag whenever I want to make nice cream. Kind of like ice cream, but I think I put a little bit too much milk in here. Time for toppings. Okay guys, so here is my creation. Ugh. Can you see it? It's delicious. Lots of coconut. But you can add greens in here. You can add cacao powder, cacao nibs, peanut butter, oats, whatever you want, but I like coconut. I want to taste the islands, you know, because it's cold outside. I miss summer. All right, this was a really quick video. This probably takes like 5 minutes to prepare. It's super fast. It's pretty filling. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Just let me know any other types of videos that you guys would like me to make. Bye.